Can they make it though? Look, it doesn't look like it's gonna be easy, but oh man, the bunker shenanigan! Bunker shenanigan! It's gonna allow them to secure this core, and Team Master on the blue side takes the cake. Wins
against what they have like 2 range, 2 melee. It's actually hard for me to consistently hit Qs. I think that might be the best counter, honestly. Oh my god, it's so broken. It's great, dude. Oh my god.
Put that in combination with the talent that makes you do extra physical damage when you use Phantom Knives in an AoE around you, so you don't even need to hit anybody, you just have to use the ability and it does AoE. Then you give her a talent where she gets 40% attack speed and movement speed for 5 seconds that resets when she does physical damage 10 times. So you can literally permanently have 40% attack and movement speed, cleaving auto attacks, 3 different ways to do AoE damage, 4 different ways to do AoE damage, an AoE pullback, an AoE ultimate that holds everyone in place, so you could literally spam all your abilities. Like, if 2 people ever stand near each other, they're dead. If 1 person ever goes alone, they're dead. If their whole team stacks up, they're all dead. Nothing can touch this character. Nothing can ever stand up to her. She wins duels, she wins 1v3s, she wins 1v5s. Like, nothing can even compare to her damage output. She has everything. She has every tool. It's Genji with more survivability and more CC and slightly less mobility. But you don't need mobility because you have so much CC that nothing can get away from you anyways.
Yep, there it goes. Oh, that was awesome. What happened?
The Junkrat tried
to jump out.
Yeah, he tried to throw his mine on the ground and blow himself out of the fight, but I had my tether on him, so he immediately came right back to us.
That's hilarious.
Looks busted! Yeah, she looks completely OP. You see that?
He's fucking gone. Love it. Easy. Can we end off of that?
How is that balanced? I'm just mashing Q. What? Oh my god, guys, this is so broken.
You just told me not to.
Forget. Oh my god. Your brain is non-existent.
Oh, snapper. Oh! Woo! Woo! Baby!
To maximize the usage at the back of your throat. Don't take that out of context. Do not.
I can see clearly now. The rain is gone. Oh. There's like literally no jumps for us to die on. Oh fuck. What?
Did not blow
Get
up.
out for a second. I want to look at something.
Okay, this is gonna be a good fight. Come here.
Biotic emitter?
Alright, I'm gonna let this turret kill him. I'm gonna walk away. Alright, it's not killing him. This is so broken. I just realized the attack speed and movement speed I get at level 20, I also can activate my fucking Naisha's memento. Like, it's just this hero.
Range, melee, range. So they're actually mostly ranged, and we are. Oh, are you fucking kidding me? Oh my fucking god.
Huh? Wait, what?
Whoa, what?
What was that?
Okay. That was interesting.
Honestly, what was it? I legitimately have no idea what that was.
Not bad. Too hard and now improved.
Oh! Get the fuck out! What the hell? What?
Combat performance.
You incur my wrath. You have my
Shall we see who gathers enough tribute this time?
What? Dude, I'm winning after this. Dude, I'm not playing around anymore. That's the finishing play. Get the fuck out, Maiev, right there.
The enemy team over and over and over.
Yeah.
Like I'm gonna jump in 1v3 here, and Bakery's gonna watch me just kill everyone, and I'm gonna miss most of my abilities actually. But
Wow.
that's okay. Actually, I think I'm still gonna kill them all. I made a mistake. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I can't. I can't, guys. I can't. It's too fun.
Totem. Kill it right when it dies, anyways.
Your tower has wilted.
Okay, well, I mean, that's...
Yeah, that seems really fun and balanced, honestly.
Yeah. You just end the game right now if you wanted to. 7 minutes
I think
in.
we could.
But I need that XP. Literally moshed onto a silence onto a warden's cage. What is this?
And you can see Booty Pop, he is incredibly low, just barely being kept alive by the healers coming out from Berry, as well as that Divine Shield.
Divine Shield has to be burnt on him, but no, ETC single-handedly says goodbye to the bug. Nature's finest cow versus beetle. It's now Fish doing whatever he can. He jumps in, he's a madman! He's an absolute madman!
He gets the kill! Oh, they're still going for it. Skibby, they're slowly starting to turn this one around. No mana on Quality. Fish gets another kill suddenly. Hello?
Actually turning this one around. Fish is a beast.